right? You all love friends. Am I right, children? You all love friends, right? Do you all love friends? Okay, how many friends do you all have? How many friends do you all have? Tell me. Oh, Varshita, you don't have friends? Oh, Akshaya has 3. Wow. Yeah, I know them. It's Pranisha, Mokshita, Tanusha. Am I right? Oh, Rudra has 9 friends. Sarvesh has only 1 friend. Oh, Akshara has only 1 friend. Maybe it's Deekshanya. Okay, oh, Akshara has 2. Tanusha has 3. Okay. Okay, you all have friends. Yes, even I have a lot of friends. All of my friends. That's nice, Mahas. That's the right attitude. Very good. Very good, children. Just cannot meet her. Okay, lot of friends. Yes. Okay, you children all have friends, right? So today we are going to see a story about friendship. We all need friends. They are an important part of our life. They make us happy and cheer us up when we are sad. The loving and caring relationship between two friends is called friendship. The loving and caring relationship between two friends is called friendship. So friends used to show a lot of love and care to us, right? So that is called as friendship. So I think your friends used to show a lot of love and care to you all. Am I right, children? Okay, a lot of friends, close friends, Akshaya. Yes, I know Pranisha. I know you are both your best friends. Okay, so this is about friendship. Can we start the story about friendship? Are you all ready for the story? If you all are ready, just type yes in the chat box. Okay, let's start the story. Let's start the story. So the story is about the lion and the mouse. I think you all have known about the story. So Simba, a lion, lived in a jungle. One hot afternoon, he was sleeping under a tree. So the lion name is Simba, and the lion lived in a jungle. Okay. So one hot afternoon, so it was so hot. So afternoon, what the lion was doing? He was sleeping under a tree. What is doing? He is sleeping under a tree. So there comes Pintu, a mouse was playing nearby. So Pintu is like you all children. I think it's also a naughty mouse. So Pintu, the name of the mouse is Pintu. A mouse was playing nearby. So the mouse was playing near where the lion was sleeping. And he saw the big lion sleeping. What Pintu saw? Pintu saw a big lion sleeping. So he started playing with Simba's tail and ran up and down in his back. So what is this naughty Pintu was doing? Pintu was playing with Simba's tail because Simba is a lion and he is sleeping. But Pintu doesn't care, and what he is doing is playing with the tail and running up and down in his back. So he sang a song and happily danced around Simba. So what this Pintu did? So the Pintu doesn't care about Simba. So it's a big lion, the ferocious lion. But Pintu doesn't care. Okay, what he was doing, he was singing song and he was dancing happily around Simba. Okay, so the noise woke Simba up and he got very angry. What he got? He got really angry. So the noise woke Simba up and he got very angry. Actually, he was sleeping nicely. Simba was sleeping very nicely. But the Pintu was singing song and he was running up and down on Simba, right? So the noise made Simba up and he got really angry. He got really angry. He caught Pintu and asked, "How dare you wake me up?" So what Simba did, Simba catched Pintu and asked, "How dare you wake me up? I was sleeping nicely. Why are you waking me up by singing like this and you're doing some naughtiness around me?" Like Simba was asking Pintu. Pintu got scared. "Oh Lord of the jungle, please forgive me." So after doing everything, what Pintu did, Pintu got really scared and what he did, he is asking forgiveness from Simba, the lion. "Oh Lord of the jungle, please forgive me." This was asked by Pintu. "Someday I may be of some help to you," Pintu said. Ha ha ha, laughed Simba. So what Pintu said, "I'll be helpful to you in some day, so please leave me, please don't do anything to me." Then what happened? Simba laughed like anything, like ha 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 ha. "You are so small, how will you help me?" he asked. So what he asked, Simba asked Pintu, "You're so small, how will you help me?" he asked. What he asked, "You're so small, how you will help me? You won't be helpful to me. You will do only naughtiness to me." Was like Simba was asking Pintu like that. But seeing Pintu scared, Simba felt sorry for him and let him go. So, but suddenly Pintu really got scared and started to cry. So Simba felt really sorry and he let him go. So what he did, Pintu was crying like, yeah, I have even seen some children after doing some naughtiness, if they are getting caught, what they will do? They will start crying, right? So like that, even Pintu got scared and he was crying like anything. After seeing this, Simba felt really sorry and what he did, he let him to go. A few days later, Simba was caught in a net laid by hunters. So what happened one day? A few days later, Simba was caught in a net laid by hunters. So hunters were there. What they did, they were catching some animals. So they let some net laid on the ground. What happened? Simba got really stuck in it. So he cried in anger. So Simba got really scared and also he was totally angry and he cried in anger. Pintu heard Simba's cry and ran quickly to help him. So here comes our Pintu. After seeing Simba crying and getting caught in a knot, Pintu saw and heard Simba's cry and ran quickly to him. What he did, he ran quickly to Simba. So he cut the net with the sharp teeth and made a big hole in it. What he did, what Pintu did, Pintu was really smart. So he cut the net with the sharp teeth. So mouse used to have sharp teeth, right? So they'll be having nice teeth. So what Pintu did, Pintu cut all the net, made a big hole, helped Simba to come out of the net. Simba came out through the hole. What happened? Simba came out through the hole. He was very happy. "Thank you, little mouse." What? He was so happy and he thanked Pintu. What happened, children? He was so happy because Simba came out of the net because of this little mouse, and Simba got really happy and he thanked the mouse. "You are so small, but you saved my life today," said Simba. What Simba did, Simba was so grateful and he said, "You are so small, but you saved my life today," said Simba. So you're being so small, but you'll save my life today. That is so happy for me. Then he said to Pintu, "You will be always my little friend." So there comes the cute part. So what Simba said? Simba said, Pintu, hereafter you are going to be my little mouse friend. What he said? You are going to be my little friend. From that day, the lion and the mouse became very good friends. What happened? From that day onwards, the lion and the mouse became very good friends. So this is how they become close friends. So what is the moral of the story, children? What is the moral of the story? A friend in need is a friend indeed. What is the moral of the story? A friend in need is a friend indeed. So who's going to tell me the moral of the story? Who's going to tell me the moral of the story? It's up to you. You're going to tell me. Okay, Dhyanesh, come on, unmute your call and tell me. What is the moral of the story?
The moral of the story is a friend in need is a friend in need. Indeed.
Very good. Indeed. Very good. Next is Varshita. Come on, Varshita, tell me. What is the moral of the story? Varshita. Varshita, are you there?
Yes.
What is the moral of the story, dear? What is the moral of the story?
A friend is a friend needing. In need.
Indeed.
Indeed.
Very good. Very good. Okay, I want one more to tell the answer. Vihan. Come on, Vihan, tell me. What is the moral of the story?
Moral of the story. A friend in need is a friend indeed.
Oh, very good, Vihan. So tell me, Vihan, who's your best friend in the school or anywhere else? Who's your best friend?
Mahat is my best friend.
Oh, Mahat is your best friend. Wow, that's nice. Very nice to hear. Yes, next is for Tanusha. Tell me, what is the moral of the story?
His friend is as friend is the friend in need. Yes, the friend is deed.
Very good, dear. So I think you all got the moral of the story. Very good, dear. Very good. Thank you. So I think you all got the moral of the story. So I want Kavin. Come on, Kavin. I have a poem for you. You're going to read this.
I'm a good friend, and you can be too. Just following this rule that I share with you. Always smile and never be rude. Sharing and caring is the right attitude. Friends and dear friends are a must to have a friend. You must be one first.
Very good, Kavin. That was really nice. Who else wants to read this poem? Is there anyone to read this poem for us? Anyone wants to read this poem for us? Okay, let me read this poem for you all. So this poem is all about friendship. Okay, it's all about friends. I am a good friend and you can be too. Just follow these rules that I share with you. Always smile and never be rude. Sharing and caring is the right attitude. Friends are dear. Friends are a must. To have a friend, you must be one first. So this is a nice poem in French about friendship. Okay. So now I think you all love the story. Did you all like the story, children? Did you all like the story? Okay. I think everyone loved the story. So now I want one of you to narrate the story again. Who's going to narrate the story again for me? Who's going to narrate the story for me again? Okay, I can see Pranisha. Okay, Pranisha, come on. You can switch on your video so that I can see you. You are going to narrate the whole story. Okay? You can switch on your video more. Did you switch on?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, I cannot see you. Okay, maybe after a while I'll be able to see you. Okay, Pranisha, you can start with the story.
One day, a lion was sleeping under a tree.
Tell the line.
Simba was sleeping under a tree.
Then what happened?
Then a little mouse
What did the little mouse did?
What is the little mouse doing?
His name is Pintu. He came and he's sitting on the lion's tail.
Okay.
Okay.
Then the lion got up with anger and he said, "Why did you wake me up sleep?"
Okay.
So the mouse gets very scared and he says, "Sorry, lion. Sorry, Simba. I won't disturb you." But the lion laughed at the little mouse
And said,
and said,
what did the mouse say?
the mouse said,
He will help him.
"I will help you one day." So
The lion laughed.
the lion laughed and then the little mouse cried. Simba was say so sorry. He left him the mouse. After some few days, the lion was caught by some hunters. So he was crying, and the mouse heard the lion crying, and he came and saw. So he went fast and he bite and make a big hole. The lion came out. He said, you're so small. You saved my life." And they were best friends.
So what is the moral of the story?
A friend, indeed,
A friend in
a friend in need is a friend indeed.
So what is that meaning of that moral? What is the meaning of the moral story? This is very good.
You have to help your friend whenever they need your help.
Very good, Pranisha. That was awesome. Excellent, dear. You
I
did
love
a
my
very
friend
good job. So, yeah,
I
that's
miss my
so cute. Okay. You missed them. Okay. It was really nice, Renisha. Thank you so much for that narration. It was totally awesome. Yeah, you're welcome. Next we have Kavin. Yes, Kavin, you can start. You can switch on your video mode. Thank you, Pranisha. You can switch off your video. Yes. I think, Kavin, you can start with the story.
Ma'am, I switch on my video mode. Simba, a lion, lived in a jungle. One hot afternoon, he was sleeping under a tree. Pintu, a mouse, was playing nearby. He saw the big lion sleeping. He started playing with Simba's stick and ran up and down in his back. He sang songs and happily danced around Simba. The noise woke up Simba. He got very angry and caught Pintu and asked, "How dare you wake me up?" Pintu got scared. "Oh, Lord of the jungle, please forgive me. Some days I may be of some help to you." Pintu said. "Ha ha ha," laughed Simba. "You are so smart. How will you help me?" he asked. But seeing Pintu's scared, Simba felt sorry for him and let him go. A few days later, Simba was caught in a net laid by hunters. He cried in anger. The mouse heard Simba. Pintu heard Simba cry and ran quickly to help him. Pintu cut the net with his sharp teeth and made a big hole in it. Simba came out through the hole. He was very happy. "Thank you, little mouse. You are so smart. But you saved my life today," said Simba. Then he said, "Pintu, you will always be my little friend." From that day, the lion and the mouse became very good friends. A friend in need is a friend indeed. Thank you.
Very good, Kavin. That was really nice. You did a
Thank you,
very
ma'am.
good job. Yeah,
Thank
it was really nice. Excellent. Next, we can start with Alia. Yes, Alia, you can start your narration.
One day, one big lion sleep under
One minute. I think you can switch on your video so that I can see you.
One day, one big lion sleep under the tree. Then one mouse come and say in the lion. Lion wake up is say angry. Mouse, why you wake up me? Then the rat very scared. Then say sorry. Then the rat say the lion laughs. Then I will help you. Like that dead mouse say, you are so small. How can you help me? So the lion also go and eat. One day hunter come and hunt the lion. Then the mouse come and help the lion. Then the mouse and lion are best friends. Then the lion says, you are so small, you are saving my life. Then the lion are best friends.
So what is the moral of the story?
Moral of stories: friends,
A
caring.
friend in need. A friend in need
A friend in need
is a
is a
friend indeed.
today see.
Indeed. Okay? So that was really awesome, Alia. That was so cute actually. Very good. You did a very good job. That was so nice. Thank you. Thank you so much. Next is Akshaya. Yes, Akshaya, you can start with your narration. You can switch on your video mode.
Lion.
Switch on your video mode.
Lion. Simba,
Alia, you
your
can mute your call,
lion,
dear.
lived in just one hot afternoon. He was sleeping under a tree. Pintu, your mouse, was playing nearby. He saw the big lion sleeping. He started playing with Simba's tail and ran up the and ran and down in his back. He sang songs and happily danced around Simba. The noise wakes Simba up. He got very angry. He caught Pintu and asked, how dare you wake me up? Pintu got scared. Oh, Lord of the jungle, please forgive me. Someday I may be of some help to you, Pintu said. Ha ha ha, laughed Simba. You are so small. How will you help me? He asked. But seeing Pintu scared, Simba felt sorry for him and let him go. A few days later, Simba was caught in a net laid by hunters. He cried in anger. Pintu heard Simba's cry and ran quickly to help him. He cut the net with his sharp teeth and made a big hole in it. Simba came out through the hole. He was very happy. Thank you, little mouse. You are so small, but you saved my life today, said Simba. Then he said to Pintu, you will be always be my little friend. From that day, the lion and the mouse become very good friends. Moral of the story: a friend in need is a friend indeed. Thank you.
Very good, Akshaya. That was really nice. You are a great reader. Thank you so much. So I can see some more responses, but yeah, we are out of time. I'm so sorry, children. Pavitra, Rashwin, Varshita, I'm so sorry. Maybe we can do it in next class. So don't worry about that. Okay, children. So I have an announcement for you, everyone. I have an announcement. So I think you all are doing your FAs, right? So kindly turn in Google Classroom whatever we are assigning in assignment, right? Like formative assessment. Kindly turn in the outcome because we have to grade them. So what you have to do is you have to turn in. I think most of them are not turning in. So we are unable to take the responses. So kindly turn in so that we can return the grades for you all. That's why I think you all got it. Parents kindly note it down. So I think you all have to turn. Most of them are doing, but some of them are not doing it. So kindly turn in so that we can take the responses. It will be easy for us to return the grades for you all. So kindly turn in. Okay, parents? Is that fine? Yes, ma'am. Handed. Yes. Okay, I think you all got it. So at 11:45 we'll be posting, and kindly join on time for the next session. Okay, thank you so much, parents.